how to redeem promo code on Spotify for premium access. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can redeem your Spotify's promo code for premium access. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, open up your web browser and simply head over to spotify.com/redeem. After you type this in, make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you're there, you can enter out your premium code, choose your state, and after you choose your state, you can then tap on continue. Then you have redeemed your code. Now, if you want to go to this directly from your Spotify, head over to open.spotify.com and log in into your account. Tap on the profile icon on the top right, then head over to account option, which will take you to another tab. And after you here scroll down, there you'll find the payment section where you'll find the redeem button. Tap on this, and after you're there, you are back to the redeem section. All you have to do is enter out your code, choose a state, and then tap on the continue button right here. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.